Why is everyone suddenly filming in 8K 360? Xtra SVHR 360 camera just ended the debate. Ever felt like your tools are actively working against your creativity? Like you're trying to paint a sunset with a crayon. You're out there living epic moments, yet your footage comes out flat, boring, forgettable. Drop yes in the comments if you're tired of your camera holding you hostage. Deadlines breathing down your neck? Storage always full at the worst moment? Low-light shots that look like potato quality, and you're one shaky clip away from a full meltdown? Imagine if there was a way to finally take control without adding more gear, more stress, or more "I'll fix it in post." Say hello to Xtra Sphra360 360 camera, the deliciously overpowered 8K panoramic beast that just made every other camera blush. Dual sensors that act like a full 1-inch sensor. Yes, in a 360 cam. Fight me. 100 megapixels still so sharp you can zoom into someone's soul. True waterproof down to 10 meters and, wait for it, 105 gigabytes built-in storage so you can literally forget memory cards exist. One travel creator told me he filmed an entire sunset hike in bullet time, threw the camera in the river to cool off, then pulled out footage so cinematic his sponsor cried. Another pro said the low light performance made him delete all his old files out of shame. Here's your first reward. The secret invisible selfie stick trick is revealed at the end. Keep watching, you'll thank me. Now imagine this. You're filming a street food night market. Neon lights, steam rising from grills, chaos everywhere. And instead of choosing one boring angle, you capture everything in glorious 8K 360. Later, you reframe it like a Hollywood director, and your viewers swear they can smell the sauté. That's the Xtra Sphra 360 difference. Tech reviewers are calling it the first 360 camera that doesn't force you to compromise. One influencer said, "I posted one bullet time clip and gained 40,000 followers in a weekend. I'm not even mad, I'm impressed." Another pro admitted on camera, "I was an Insta360 loyalist for years, then I held this thing for 5 minutes and ordered 2 more before lunch." Thousands of creators are quietly switching and not telling anyone because, well, they want to keep the unfair advantage. Quick, which feature would save your sanity tomorrow? The 105 gigabytes built-in storage, the bullet time mode, or the low light that actually works? Comment your pick below. I read every single one. Limited stock is moving faster than bullet time right now. The last drop sold out in 11 hours. Join the thousands who've already ditched flat, boring content forever. Click the link below, grab your Xtra Sphra360 360 camera today, and unlock the secret invisible selfie stick plus AI reframe trick that's quietly making creators look like geniuses. Don't just watch everyone else level up. Jump in and make your next video the one they can't stop rewatching. Your future self is already thanking you. Go, now, do it.